Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll see one more concept in generative AI, that is BERT model. BERT. So is it a generative AI model similar to ChatGPT or not? So after listening to this video you'll be getting a clarity what exactly means this BERT. So first this stands for bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. So we'll see one by one what exactly it means, right? So transformer model, we know this transformer model was a one model in the generative AI, so which generate the text. Okay, so it follows the encoder and decoder. This transformer model will be using the encoder and decoder, where encoder understands the sentence and decoder generates that sentence, generates the content. Okay, the content or sentence, whatever it may be. Now see, BERT is a encoder. Encoder means only understanding. So this BERT will only understand the context, but it doesn't generate any kind of text. Okay, so this is not a generative AI model. So what we are saying, generative AI means it have to generate some content. Okay, but in this model, BERT model will not generate the content, but it will understand the context. So how it will be understanding? So earlier the models, whatever the models we are having, they are able to read the sentence, read the sentence from one direction. In one direction, that may be either left to right or right to left. So only in one direction, it will read the content in only one direction and it will be able to understand the context. But here, so there might be a dilemma of misunderstanding the sentence. Okay, see, for example, take one sentence. I'll write here example. First one, the bat is flying in the sky. So this is one sentence. Okay, and coming to the second sentence, I bought cricket bat. So this is one more sentence. So here there is a common word called a bat. But coming to the first sentence, the bat is some fly. Okay, but in the second sentence, here the bat is some sports equipment. So there is a difference. So if the previous models reading the sentence in only one direction, there might be a misunderstanding of this particular context. So this will be overcome by using this bidirectional. Bidirectional means here this model will read from left to right and right to left. Parallelly, it will read in a both directions, so that it will able to read the before word and the after word in the sentence in order to understand the context. So whenever this BERT model reading this one from left to right, okay, bat and flying and sky, so it implies that is some sort of fly. Okay, and coming to this one, it will read from right to left and left to right. So here we are having a word called a cricket, bot, and all these words. So it will be understanding, okay, this is an sports equipment. So This BERT will be understanding the context of a sentence perfectly. Okay, so this is only understand the context. It doesn't generate the answers. It doesn't generate the answers. So here, see, understanding means example where we are going to use this model means Q&A. So questions and answering paragraph. Okay, summarizations. In the summarizations also we are able to understand the context and we are summarizing the content. Okay, so this happens in the BERT, so which is a bidirectional, that means reading of sentence from left to right or right to left, encoder only to understand the context, representations, encoder representations from the transformers. So transformer model is for understanding and generating, but here it is a only understanding. So we can say this BERT is not the Gen AI model. It is not a generative AI model. It's a model which will be used in the deep learning and natural language processing to understand the context of a text. Okay, so this will be trained by missing words. So it will be giving a lot of sentences by by avoiding some words. So it will be identifying the missing words. And second one, relationship between the sentences. Relationship between sentences. So more than one sentence will be given, and it will be knowing which sentence comes first and which sentence comes next. So with the help of these two categories, this particular BERT model will be trained. Okay, so hope you understood. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. It is not a Gen AI model, it is a AI model. It's only AI model. Okay, so which only understand the context. So hope you understood what exactly means this BERT. Right? Yes. So if you really understood my session and enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.